Hey everybody, love, peace, and happiness here. Just going over a silicone mix conditioner. But before that, I wanted to thank all my subscribers and my new followers. I'm basically showing you this product that you can get at any hair store. I'm not saying any hair store. I haven't found it on the shelves at Sally's Beauty Supply. I'm not saying they don't have it. You can order it online. I've seen it online. I went to a place that sells hair specifically, and it was how much did I spend on this? $6.99, I believe. This is great for synthetic blends, synthetic hair, human hair, your own hair, anything like that. Well, I guess your own hair, technically, it is human hair. But you can use this. It provides a little bit of shine. It's not going to repair your hair as far as the damaged ends, split ends. It's going to just coat the hair in a silicone base. I recommend doing it if you have a hairpiece or your hair is very damaged and not prone to getting greasy. You can use this twice a week. I recommend maybe once a week. See how that goes first. You basically just want to regular shampoo your hair. Throw this nice mix on after you've soaked your hair, after I should say rinsed your hair, and then you towel dry your hair. I didn't towel dry it in the video. You're going to see that. But it's fine. It's fine this way. I just kind of squeezed out the excess moisture, and then I really slathered it on there and pulled it through to the ends. You're going to see me really go in there and coat this hair. This hair isn't bad. This hair is great. This is one of my first toppers that I made. I have a video on that. I have a video on how to shampoo. I'll try to include that, or at least the links in the comment box. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not a big old fan here. But I just basically, after this, rinse it out, and you're going to see the finished results at the end. But again, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions, leave them in the description box, or comment box, I should say. And have a wonderful, peaceful day. Thanks for watching.